Assalamu alaikum. In today's lesson, I'm going to share a very interesting story of a novel, a classic tale of man versus nature. Yes, it's Moby Dick, that's written by Herman Melville. Let's have an introduction of the author. Herman Melville was an American novelist, short story writer and poet, best known for his novels for the sea, including his masterpiece Moby Dick. Before getting into it, I'll tell you about characters. Basically, जो main characters हैं इस novel के Ishmael, Captain Ahab, Queequeg and Moby Dick. Before getting into the novel, मैं आपको एक brief सी story बता दूँ. Basically, ये story है एक whaling trip. Whaling trip ऐसा ट्रिप होता है जिसमें आप वेल को किल करने के लिए निकलते हैं. कैप्टन अहब एंड अलोंग हिज फ्यू मेंबर्स एक वेलिंग ट्रिप पे जाते हैं. बेसिकली कैप्टन अहब का पर्पस होता है एक वाइट वेल को किल करना. ही वाज वेरी ऑब्सेस्ड टू किल अ वाइट वेल. और जो उसके मेंबर्स होते हैं दे वर विद हिम. और वो क्यों मारना चाहता है, लेट्स फाइंड आउट इन द स्टोरी. The main narrator of the novel is Ishmael, who joined Pequod with his friend Queequeg. Ahab, Captain Ahab of the Pequod, who is obsessed with hunting and killing Moby Dick. He is one of the main character of the story. His name is Captain Ahab और ये बहुत ज़्यादा obsessed होता है एक white whale को kill करने के लिए जिसका नाम होता है Moby Dick. Queequeg. Queequeg was a harpooner from South Seas Island who becomes Ishmael's friend. Or he was just another member. Moby Dick. ये Moby Dick होती है एक white whale, a white sperm whale which is object of Ahab's obsession. और ये वही object होती है at any cost Ahab जिसको kill करना चाहता है. Before getting into the story, I'll just tell you themes. पहला इसका one of the important theme is obsession. Why Ahab wanted to kill Moby Dick? Ahab's relentless pursuit of Moby Dick despite the danger and cost to his crew. वो बहुत ज़्यादा obsessed होता है. He was mad. He just wanted to kill the Moby Dick and that was his only priority. और यही वजह होती है जिसकी वजह से he was on the voyage. He was on that whaling trip. Second theme is fate, the inevitability of Ahab's quest for revenge and the tragic consequences that follows. The madness with which Ahab is trying to find Moby Dick and kill him, और later on इसके जो consequences होते हैं, इसके जो prize सिर्फ Ahab को pay नहीं करने पड़ते but उसके crew members को भी had to face the price of it, had to face the danger of it. Alright, the novel begins with Ishmael, a young sailor arriving in Nantucket to join a whaling voyage. He meets Queequeg, a skilled harpooner, and they became close friends. They join the whaling ship Pequod, commanded by Captain Ahab, who has prosthetic leg made of ivory. तो यहाँ पे आपको नॉवल का स्टार्ट बताया गया है कि नॉवल बेसिकली स्टार्ट कैसे होता है. यहाँ पे एक यंग बॉय था whose name was Ishmael. He wanted to go on a whaling trip. He just wanted to explore the world. He just wanted to do adventure. वहाँ पे he met a person. His name was Queequeg, जो कि एक harpooner होता है. उसके साथ वो निकल पड़ता है और उसकी शिप का कैप्टन होता है. The name of his ship's captain was Captain Ahab. He has a prosthetic leg that is made of ivory. Ahab's obsession with hunting and killing the white sperm whale Moby Dick becomes clear. Ahab's obsession stems from a previous encounter where Moby Dick bit off his leg. The crew is diverse and includes Flask, Stubb and Starbuck, who all are experienced whalers. यहाँ पे हमें कैप्टन अहब के obsession की समझ आती है, that why he wanted to kill Moby Dick so badly. Because on one of his whaling trip, a ship named Moby Dick bit one of his leg, and as a result, he had to get a prosthetic leg. उसकी जो leg होती है वो बाइट की होती है मॉबी डिक ने उसके किसी पिछले एडवेंचर ट्रिप में, और अब उसकी जो सारी ऑब्सेशन की वजह होती है कि वो मॉबी डिक को मारना चाहता था. बेसिकली वो मॉबी डिक से बदला लेना चाहता था. इट साउंड्स सो स्ट्रेंज दैट ही वांटेड टू फाइट विद एन एनिमल, लाइक जिस समथिंग दैट उसको उसकी ऑब्सेशन उसको लीड करती है कि बस वो मॉबी डिक से बदला ले, विच डजंट मेक एनी सेंस टेकिंग रिवेंज कि आप किसी नॉन लिविंग से रिवेंज लें. बट इवेंचुअली उसकी यही ऑब्सेशन उसको और उसकी पूरी शिप को, उसके पूरे क्रू मेंबर को एंड करने का वजह भी बनती है. The Pequod sets sail and the crew begins hunting and harvesting whales. Ahab's fixation on Moby Dick intensifies and he offers a gold doubloon to the first person who spots the white whale. The crew becomes entangled in Ahab's vendetta and tension rise. अब यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि on their whaling trip, while they were trying to kill whales, Captain Ahab only has one obsession. He just wanted to find Moby Dick and kill him. And he offered gold, जो भी Moby Dick को देखेगा और जो भी Moby Dick को मारेगा. Once again, उसका जो obsession था Moby Dick को लेके, that intensifies. और किस तरह वो अपने crew members को convince कर रहा था कि वो किसी भी तरह Moby Dick को kill करें. The Pequod encounters other ships and Ahab's obsession grows more erratic. He ignores the safety of his crew and lucrative whaling opportunities to pursue Moby Dick. The crew is torn between their loyalty to Ahab and their fear of his actions. बहुत सारी उनको whales नज़र आती हैं, बहुत सारी उनको ships नज़र आती हैं, लेकिन वो कुछ नहीं कर सकते because Captain Ahab only wanted to find Moby Dick and to kill him. Here's the thing happened, जो उनका crew था that is torn between कि कौन Captain Ahab के साथ loyal रहे और कौन ऐसा था जो consequences of his actions पे सोचे. Like people really get into the fear that what would be the consequences of these terrible actions. This might lead them to destruction. The Pequod finally encounters Moby Dick, and Ahab's harpoon becomes stuck in whale's flesh. The crew tries to rescue Ahab, but he refuses to let go of the harpoon. Moby Dick destroys the Pequod, killing everyone except Ishmael, who survives by clinging to Queequeg's coffin. Finally, when they saw Moby Dick, Captain Ahab, अपना harpoon, with the help of his harpoon, he attacked on it. But what happens is, उसका जो harpoon होता है वो fish के flesh में stuck हो जाता है. What he had to do कि वो उसे वापस कर दे, उसे छोड़ दे in order to save himself. Moby Dick white whale was very powerful. But what he did, he refuses to let go of the harpoon. Moby Dick destroys the Pequod और वो इतना forcefully Moby Dick move करती है, इतनी बुरी तरह, इतना fiercely कि वो Pequod जो उनकी ship थी उसको destroy करती है, killing everyone except Ishmael, and they all died except Ishmael. Now who was Ishmael? It's the main character, the first narrator of the novel, who survives by clinging to Queequeg's coffin. और वो कैसे बचता है? Queequeg ने जो अपने लिए coffin बनाया होता है, he thought that he might die. उसमें बैठ के, with the help of that coffin, he finally saved himself. Ishmael is rescued by Rachel, a ship that had been searching for its lost crew member. Ishmael reflects on the tragedy and destructive power of Ahab's obsession. फाइनली उस शिप का सिर्फ एक क्रू मेंबर सेव होता है, एंड दैट इज इश्मेल. एंड हाउ डिड ही रेस्क्यू हिमसेल्फ? ऑन क्विकविक्स कॉफिन. वो अपने ही एक क्रू मेंबर के बनाए हुए कॉफिन पे, जो क्विकविक ने ये सोच के बनाया था ही वुड माइट डाई, with the help of that coffin he saved himself. और फिर एक ship named Rachel, he found him and saved Ishmael. Ishmael reflects on tragedy and destructive power of Ahab's obsession, and he's the one who narrates the whole story of Ahab's obsession, his extreme obsession of killing a white whale. What are the conclusion or what are the main themes of this novel? The danger of obsession. जैसा कि हमने देखा कि किस तरह किसी चीज के पीछे obsess होना would be harmful for life or would be life taking. The destructive power of pride. अब ये pride किस में था? This pride is symbolized as Captain Ahab, जो कि एक nature के against जा रहा था. His fight was against nature. Revenge is destructive force. Revenge is obviously a very destructive force. When you follow it like blindly, you are going to get it, you're going to take the revenge, or other is you are going to die. कोई option ही नहीं छोड़ी बीच में. Man versus nature, कि इंसान और nature का मुकाबला. These are all the elements that we saw in this story. It's a very interesting story, one of the best novel, and I recommend you to read it. It's a very highly recommended book from my side. That's all. I hope you've enjoyed the story.